got the Hideaway headlights, got a big 390 motor, mag wheels. Very nice little car. Little fastback. It's getting ready to go through the auction. So he's cruising forward with it. I'll kind of walk with him if I can. Bench seat, kind of funny. XL in the old days meant that it was bucket seats, but this one doesn't. This just got a bench. I'll show it to you now. We got the driver inside of it, getting ready to go through the auction. And that's what a 68 XL 390 fastback 68 Ford looks like. I think it's pretty good looking, maroon inside and out.